A number of research teams from the University of Alabama, Huntsville, and some other colleges across the country were out collecting data on today's storms. Those teams were spread out across central Mississippi using radar and profiling instruments to collect data based on things like the wind, the atmosphere, and the precipitation. The team we talked to was set up in the Macon area this afternoon, scanning for rotation and conversion signatures to better understand how the winds change and ultimately form into a tornado. The goal is to use that information to increase the lead time for tornado warnings and better anticipate the location of severe weather.
The data that we're collecting here is going to be looked at and researched by students and by researchers at laboratories. And the purpose of this is to help us better understand what goes on before we see tornado genesis in these linear storms, and also what precedes severe weather as well as how the environment changes preceding these storms as well that could impact how severe weather occurs or where it occurs.
And Huggins says they're constantly monitoring how close the storms are, and the teams have evacuation routes in place. He says the research teams are equipped with 2 trucks so that they can drive out of the storm's path while leaving the radar to collect that data that they need.